Our company is part of the Kurovsk Drug Manufacturing Holding Company. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year we modernized, and began replacing the equipment that was morally and technically obsolete. I have been working as a chief engineer for 25 years, and I know well all the technological processes in the company. I chose new equipment to replace technically unsuitable equipment independently, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changed and automated. In the plans of modernization was the purchase of a machine for packaging PVC blisters, with pills in a cardboard box. The packaging machine is used as part of automatic lines, at the final stage or separately. The choice of machine depends on the materials used and the desired output. The blisters of tablets are placed in prepared cardboard boxes, according to the technological process of carton packaging. The blister packing process itself, or cartoner, performs in white cardboard boxes of 3 blisters each. The old machine was constantly being repaired, and sometimes we could not deliver the drug to the customer on time. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in picking up, and remained in contact with some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I began to telephone the manufacturers, and asked whether they could produce a machine for packaging PVC blisters of tablets into cardboard boxes. I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material of the equipment as the main criteria. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for a PVC blister carton packaging machine, I decided to take a different route, and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry, and maybe suggest another machine option. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience with a Chinese intermediary supplying equipment, when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical data sheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 3 days later I received from them in the mail 10 variants of different machines for packaging PVC blisters into cardboard boxes, and an offer to make a choice on my own. I realized that they do not have a professional approach, and I will not help me in my search for equipment. The last, 3rd intermediary option turned out to be good for me. The mail manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the number of operations, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consulting stage he suggested the equipment for packing PVC blisters of tablets into a cardboard box, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the management of the enterprise. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The company specialist offered to test the machine, and asked to send blanks of our boxes and blisters with capsules. The manager reported the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery, and sent a video where we could see our equipment. The blisters of pills were moved on a conveyor belt to be packed in cartons. A sheet of paper instructions with information about the drug's prescription, route of administration, and side effects were folded up and inserted into the box. We received blister packs, packed in a cardboard box, where the paper instructions were also placed. The equipment has a modern control system via an LCD screen. The working area is covered with plastic shields, to eliminate the influence of external factors. A month after signing the contract, we received the machine for packaging PVC blisters of tablets into cardboard boxes. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We carried out installation of the machine and trained workers, who will be assigned to the machine within a week. We were satisfied with the equipment, though frankly speaking I was skeptical about this machine. It seemed to me that it was too difficult to operate. However, practice showed that this was the machine we needed. The competent advice saved me time, and helped me to avoid mistakes, which I probably would have made, if I had made the choice myself.